Hello and welcome to another Maggie Soother. I'm creating very short videos of activities that can help to reduce the stress and anxiety for big people and little people during this time of incredible uncertainty. And today I'd like to be able to explore my favorite tapping spot, which is the K27. So there's your clavicle things are there, and if you come down and kind of tap around your chest, you'll find two very tender points exactly equidistant. Now that is your K27. It's an acupressure point that it can actually tap on any time that you're feeling really crabby. I do it when I get a headache. I get it when I get really overloaded, and it's a kind of it removes some of the overwhelm for me. So just get used to tapping on K27. It's a really beautiful, you can actually just rub it. And remember, you can do this with your children and teach them this point, because the same point is on every single one of us. If you can imagine it's a bit like a valve and it's just releasing a bit of pressure, that's great. And I am going to confess that there are days when it's been just a little bit too tricky. I've done double whammy and gone for both. And really what helps me as well is to kind of say to myself, this is just really awful. This is horrible. I'm really scared. This is just yuck, horrible, horrible, horrible. Because it kind of helps activate it. I also do this one with some of the sadness that I'm feeling at the moment. So again, K27, nice and simple, easy to do, easy to remember, and make sure you do that when you're driving in traffic with some of the people who behave really badly. And remember, we're all in this together.